Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the GE500 series 30-inch slide-in electric range, which is a modern upgrade that promises powerful performance, sleek design, and a practical cooking features. So if you are considering upgrading your kitchen, make sure that you check out the product link in the description box below for more details. Now, first of all, let's start our review with its design. So as you can see here in this picture, this is a 30-inch slide-in electric range with a clean built-in look that instantly elevates your kitchen. It features 5 smooth top radiant elements, including a standout power boil burner designed to heat the water significantly faster than the standard burners. In the real world usage, it delivers boiling happens quickly, saving time during the busy cooking sessions. The oven offers a generous 5.3 cubic feet of capacity that makes it ideal for the large meals, holiday cooking, or multiple dishes at once. You can get a warming zone as well, which is perfect for keeping the food hot without overcooking it, especially useful when you are preparing multiple dishes. For cleaning, there is a convenient steam clean function. Just add the water, run the cycle, and wipe away the loosened residue. It's quick, simple, and avoid any harsh chemicals. In terms of usability, the smooth touch controls and the digital display are clear and responsive. The range also ADA compliant, making it more accessible for a wider range of users. The build quality feels sturdy with a fingerprint resistant stainless steel finish. However, the smooth cooktop does require care as it can basically scratch if cookware is dragged across it. So the main downside is the absence of the true convection, meaning the heat circulation isn't as advanced as higher end models, but considering the mid-range price point, it still offers a strong value. Overall, the GE500 series electric range strikes a solid balance between the performance, the features, and the affordability. So if you want faster boiling, versatile cooking modes, and a modern slide-in design without paying premium prices, this can be a strong contender. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Again, in order to learn more about the product and check the availability, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.